Welcome to HomeSite. This tutorial will be focusing on scheduling meetings. To add a meeting, from the Accounts menu, simply find who you want to create the meeting for and click the Schedule Event button. Alternatively, you can click on the account principal and then the plus sign. In the Create Event window, give the event a name and a description. Set a date and time and whether or not it is a recurring meeting. Don't forget to add everyone you want to the meeting. If this is going to be a Zoom meeting, make sure you change the event type to Zoom meeting. Next, you will want to paste your Zoom meeting URL here. Finally, click Send. The meeting will now display under the account principal's calendar. If you are attending this meeting, it will now show up under the My Schedule menu on the left-hand side. To delete a meeting, simply select your account principal, select the appointment, choose Edit, then click Cancel. Then confirm one more time that you would like to cancel the series. This was the HomeSite tutorial for scheduling meetings. Thank you.